Good morning, everyone. I'm Brian Ewell, the Master Superintendent at Uplands Golf Club. This morning we're here actually on the ninth hole, and we're making a nice change here for the golf course. We're on the pathway here on number 9, and this has always been a contentious problem for players as we've got blacktop pathway near that hedge and the ball's bouncing into the hedge. And as we get around to the back corner there, we'll see we've got a pathway very close to the green that balls are hitting and then bouncing all the way over to number 12 fairway. So we're on the pathway here, and our goal is to bring the pathway through this naturally worn area that we already have here. You can see a lot of members are already going to the 10th tee this way with this wear area through here. So what we're going to be doing is taking the pathway through this area here, raise up a few branches here. As well, we have a couple Portuguese laurels at the end of the hedge that aren't very strong, so we're going to remove those, so it'll be a nice open access to the blue tee or the white blue tee or the rest of the tees, as well as the gold tee as well. Then we'll be coming up to the pathway here and removing this blacktop that we have here, and this will be recycled. We'll be taking it to a asphalt plant that will recycle this and then reuse this. So the goal is to remove this asphalt pathway off, dig out the gravel that's already here, and then put it into the new pathway. But as you can see here, over the years from tournaments, club championships, professional events, having blacktop pathway here, if your ball hits here, it's scooting right into the tee, onto the 10th tee, into the hedge here, and it's not really fair to the golfer. So once we remove this, we'll be laying in some sod here so you have nice grass to play. So when you come from the 9th tee to play the green, you have the option to go to the left of the bunker, or you can go all the way around and still access the tee from the back here. As you can see here, we literally have blacktop, approximately 7 feet from the edge of a green, which is very rare in any golf that you ever watch on TV, as well as you can see the problems with it holding water. It gets built up. So this will all be sodded here, and then we'll saw cut the pathway here. So this will all be gone here. This will all be sawed here. And now we're not going to get so many bad bounces for members, bounces under the hedge, and it'll be a nice improvement for the members. Happy golfing, everyone.